all right. We made it to Quinta Avenida. It goes to the left and it goes further to the right. So we're gonna start it off. We're gonna walk towards the left, see what there is, and then we'll come back and hit the right side. Seems like the only fair thing to do. What do you have here? Oh, look at these spirally things. They're really hypnotizing. Whoa. It's weird. They're hypnotizing. Hey, we got a place here. I don't give a dick. Oh boy. I can't have any, but it's dick waffles, dick shaped ice creams. That's funny. Keep on walking. Let's see what we find. As you can hear by the music coming up in the distance, we're getting to the more party spot areas. It is just 8 p.m. at night. It's pretty early, so things might not be popping off yet. We'll see. If anything, we go back and film again a little later on. Oh, ¿es donde para los pies?
Sí, esto se llama garrarrufa, no tiene dientes, lo que hace es succionar y quitar toda la piel muerta. Es como un pedicure natural.
Bueno, garra. Eat all the dead flesh and skin off your feet. ¿Cuánto cobran?
Es 200 pesos o $10.
Ok, solo quiero terminar eso y regreso.
Claro que sí,
gracias. I forgot how much they said, but I'm not doing that. Nah. These places, though, over here they're more packed. Look at that. Wow, now this is party central. I feel so much more alive back in the Yucatan. It's just there's lots of tourists, but it's more about a cultural and historical thing. Meanwhile, in Quintana Roo, it's more party. So you feel so much more alive. There's something going on back there. There's a strange sound. They're just working on some building. But yeah, this is in Quinta Avenida, the #1 tourist spot. You want to come show up if you're looking to party in Playa Del Carmen. Some mariachis there. We need to hustle people for some money to play. Dick and Willie's. Music sounds good. Might have to check them out. But I think it's still way too early, right? Actually, I didn't originally even plan to come to Playa Del Carmen. If I'd known I would have, I should have actually tried to schedule ahead of time some DJ gigs. Even if it was for super cheap, just for the fun of it. I just love the party scene in Playa Del Carmen and Cancun. Got people dressed up like mestizos and stuff. I'll try to cut a lot of this out during the boring parts where there's not really anything happening, right? I don't want this video being 8 hours long. I'm always worried about that. I think it's way too early still. Glow in the dark shirts. The places are nice. But yeah, it looks like 8 p.m. is still way too early. Keep on walking down a little bit more, see what there is. If there's nothing, we'll move on to the next side. This place looks packed. More stuff down there. We'll go down there in a little bit. Let's walk a block more. Got the mask there. Which I don't know why they still do the mask in Cancun and Playa. It's like, it's really outdated. If you're here in Quintana Roo, lots of pills and stuff. You can get your Viagra 2-for-1 promotion. Only in Mexico. Oh boy. Steak, prime seafood, and raw bar. It's a nice place. It's pricey. There we got some other bar, Capricho. It's down there too. Yeah, I think it's still a little too early. Things aren't popping off yet, so. We might just turn around and check out the next side. Yeah, looks like it gets pretty dead back there, so let's make a U-turn. We're gonna head back. Let's walk through this section here. What the heck? Okay, there's some interesting stuff here. For the kids, there's a slide. Go up and slide all the way down. This is the Calle Corazon. Looks like it's more shopping. Meanwhile, Quinta Avenida itself is more like partying, restaurants, bars, pubs, whatever you want to call them. Meanwhile, in here it's more shopping, right? Steve Madden and different big name brands. H&M. And we get back out onto Quinta Avenida over here. Perfect. Get out in the spot where I wanted to go down. It sounded like a party. Let's check it out. Check it out. Oh. here. Sugar, man. That's where they start asking for the money, and that's when you start walking off. It's good on here. It sounds like a party destination. It's actually drizzling on top of it. Hey, look here. Mamba jerk cuisine and drinks. They got people dancing. It's like Moroccan style or something. That's cool. Hookah lounge on the next side. If you're a hookah, that's your spot. Boy, the basses are really bumping over here. Wow. Holy cow, look at that. It's like the old block is a giant nightclub. Inside competing with the next. I might have to hold my camera closer. I think it's way too early still. Party scene has not started. Let's head back on up, see what else we can find. Hope you guys can hear because it's like really, really loud here. We made it back to the top of the hill. Start heading back to the next side. You know, we had turned left. Now we're gonna go to the right side. See what they got over there. I'll save you the boring walk back, but I'll show you guys if anything interesting pops up. Stay tuned. More to come in Playa Del Carmen. Alright, we made it back to where we first started. So now, that's the road we came from our hostel. Now, we'll go towards the right. Let's see if there's anything more interesting on the right. I still think I need to come back a little bit later tonight when the party's really bumping. But then it is also Wednesday, right? So who knows how crazy it gets on a Wednesday. Probably does, but I don't know. Group shots there. More restaurants on this side. Oh, look at these caps. Those are cool. Caps and masks. That's neat. Gotta head out there quick though because we don't get hit by copyrights. Looks like this side is actually the shopping side. The other side was more pubs, restaurants.
This way, guys. Welcome.
Here I see there's more shopping. Keep on walking. See what we find. cafe. 7-Eleven, #1 spot in the world. I still prefer, actually no, I like OXXO so much more. That'd be a lie if I told you I still preferred 7-Eleven over OXXO. Not true at all. OXXO has so much more stuff compared to 7-Eleven's. So much more. Try not to go on a 4-hour rant about how OXXOs are so much better. I hear music down here, so hopefully we're getting back to some more restaurants and stuff. I got him. Because we still gotta figure out where we're gonna eat tonight. Probably not on Quinta Avenida because things are pricey. But you never know. Maybe somewhere calls my attention. So far, this looks a lot more mellow. A lot of barber shops around, I've noticed. Maybe tomorrow we do a shave video. Who knows? This side is definitely more of the shopping.
Could you imagine if you had those?
Wait, Mamada. Look here, they got some bands will be setting up later. So we're definitely come back for another tour later. Things are a little crazier. And this looks like about it. I don't see much more.